Hey guys, Turtles Rule the World here, and today I'm just gonna be talking about you should go. Really. Anyways, you should go. I have this buddy on Animal Jam. I'm playing it right now, as you can hear. But I'm not gonna record it. Nate. Her username is bunny00916, and a channel called I don't want to say Expert Clever Claw, and it's hard to find her YouTube channel for me, anyways. But if you go on this video, and then go to the comment section. That's her, Expert Clever Claw. Yeah. If you click on it, darn it. If you click on it, yeah, the circle, this is her YouTube channel. She's gonna be doing this Animal Jam giveaway thing when she gets to 8 subscribers, and she says she would like it if I made this video saying to go subscribe to her. I already am, and yeah, these are all the videos she has, but it's fine. Yeah, she has this video with me in it, Crystal55344. You can, if you play Animal Jam and you're subscribed to me or whatever, then I don't know. Forget what I was saying. Okay. Wait, if you're subscribed to me, if you play Animal Jam, you should subscribe to Expert Clever Claw and maybe buddy her if you want, and buddy me. Hey. So yeah. I don't know what I'm doing now. Ooh. Yeah, two people tried scamming her or whatever, and there's this penguin. I don't know the username, but there's this penguin that, she made a video about saying that he scammed 2 people or whatever, and right here.
Hey guys, I normally don't make more than one video in one day. I just made a video last night too, so I don't normally do videos this often, but I ran into another scammer in Jama, and it made me so upset that I just wanted to rant about it. So I don't even know if I'm going to post this or not. Because it's kind of useless, but they were saying they're only worth 1. And then some random kangaroo comes along, and they're just like, leave the penguin alone. And I'm like, well, your friend is scamming everyone out of $2 collars. And she was just like, be quiet. I didn't ask you. It made me so frustrated because,
you can
I didn't ask her
watch the entire video if you want by yourself, but this is the best part of the video.
I cannot angry scribble without my intros. Thank you.
Yeah, so, yeah. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to Expert Clever, our little clever clown. Bye.